CJ Duarte out to your early lead as he's going to shoot off a turn two with a good advantage over Eric Payne, who takes second from Tucker Dowdy. Martin Edwards up into fourth. Michael Lang looks to get fifth. Edwards up the racetrack. Lang and Ruffin go underneath Edwards. That'll be for the fourth and fifth spots. Lang now looks underneath Tucker Dowdy as Ruffin pulls the front tires up off the ground, and he sets the car back down, slides up the track, and falls to the back of the pack. We got two in the book, 6 more remaining, and your leader CJ Duarte with Eric Payne trying to run him down. Eric Payne, the older brother of Logan Payne, trying to run down CJ Duarte. Third place battle though, Michael Lang and Tucker Dowdy. Lang looks to the inside of Dowdy in 1 and 2. Lang and Dowdy battle for third. The 14 Power Homes machine makes the move into that third spot. Edwards up the raceway. Day reels him in quick there. Edwards having an issue in 3 and 4 is Fifield now underneath Edwards. Or make that Day. Fifield underneath Day. 5 down, 3 to go for your leader Duarte as Edwards reels in Tucker Dowdy once again. Edwards looks to the inside of Dowdy, but Dowdy smooth through 1 and 2, holds him off. Edwards with a good run down the back straightaway. That's a battle for fourth. Edwards looks underneath Dowdy, not gonna get it done as we got 2 more laps to go. Edwards sticks the nose underneath Dowdy once again as Eric Payne is starting to reel in Duarte, but he's got 1 more lap to go. As Edwards does make that move for fourth underneath Dowdy into turns 3 and 4. But up at turn number 4, your winner of bonus in Texas, 18-year-old CJ Duarte. Second, Eric Payne. Third, Michael Lang. Fourth, Martin Edwards. Fifth, Tucker Dowdy. Sixth, Justin Fifield. This one, green flag in the air. Scott Renault getting around Edson Miller, but Brad Queen shoots out to your lead. Down the back straightaway, working into 3 and 4. The field goes. Renault reels in. Brad Queen for the lead. We got him bunched up behind him, though. Renault looks for the lead in turn 2. He's got it. New leader of a turn number 2. That's Scott Renault in the 1S car. Queen falls back to second. As Cole and Payne get together, that is. Brad Queen loose in 1 and 2 as Wester catches him. Logan Payne underneath Edson Miller. Colt doing the same thing. Vetter trying to follow him. Vetter makes the move underneath Edson Miller. That's going to be for the 6th spot down the back straightaway. Scott Renault is gone in that 1S car. Dale Wester, that's a battle for second, looking underneath Brad Queen. Second down the back straightaway, the 12 of Wester, the 55 of Brad Queen, and Wester going to have the spot in the 3 and 4. Brad Queen losing ground off of turn number 2. Logan Payne now tracks him down into 3 and 4. Payne to the inside of Queen. Colt closing in. 4-car battle for third. Queen almost into Colt down the front straightaway. Colt throws it in on the bottom side. New 4th place car, Raven Colt. New 5th place car, Robert Vetter. Queen falls to the back. White flag in the air. He started fourth in the Hotties, Dan and Moore. Auto Masters, Peyton Body, North Star Storage, number 1S. The Trinidad Express, Scott Renault, your winner. Second place, the 12 Adele Wester. Third's going to be Logan Payne. Fourth, Raven Colt with a hot-headed Robert Vetter in fifth. Sixth, the 55 of Queen. And seventh, the 82 RaceSaver Sprint Car, a main event.
Click, click, boom. I'm coming down on the stereo. Give me on the radio. Click, click, boom. I'm coming down with a new style. And you know it's my wild. Everybody, everybody, come on. Come on, come on.
Speedway. Raven Culp and Jeff Day, your championship contenders. Jeff Day, the Rocket Man, better get to rocketing from the back. Green flag is in the air. Into 1 and 2 he goes. Scott Renault has the lead. And Raven Culp looks underneath Logan Payne. He's going to get third. Payne now looks underneath Duarte. Duarte, Culp into the slick stuff. And Duarte, Payne, and Lane closing in. Duarte and Payne go around as the Dirty Airplane with the drivers on the top side. Meanwhile, the Trinidad Express and the 1S Scott Renault out front and gone. Duarte running second, being able to hold off Logan Payne at this juncture. Third right now is Payne. Fourth, Culp. Fifth is Lane. 6, Edwards. 7. Oh, as we got a caution. Caution on the Speedway. Justin Fifield on the inside of turn 4. So far, green flag is out. Renault out front. Duarte still sits second. The battle for third seems to be developing as Culp's got a run on Payne. Culp and Payne follow each other on the top. Culp loses ground. Payne able to pull away. Lane now to the back bumper of the 3 car. Martin Edwards the first car to try the bottom side in 1 and 2 with no success. Eric Payne tried to do it as well as he's falling back to the grass of Dale Wester. Payne able to fend off Wester. Now your leader is Scott Renault. Your leader has about a full turn 2 lead on CJ Duarte. It's Duarte, Payne, Culp, and Lane. Your top 5. 6 is Edwards. 7th, Payne. Eric Payne, that is. 8th, Wester. 9th, Vetter. 10th is Tucker Dowdy. Everyone around the top side right now. No bottom group developing, and it's pretty tough to pass. Following these drivers in on the top side, losing that clean air. Culp and Payne, though, starting to ice it up. Culp going a little bit higher, 1 and 2, getting a run on Payne. But Payne able to fend him on off. Scott Renault, meanwhile, up front and gone by a full front straightaway. Payne, Culp, and Lane in a battle there for 3rd, 4th, 5th, and now 6th involves Martin Edwards. Payne able to get away from those 3 drivers, laying up the raceway. Martin Edwards now looks underneath. Laying off the turn 4, but not going to get it done. Scott Renault encountering lap traffic. This is where things can change as lap traffic is on the top side. Renault goes underneath Ruffin. That's the first lap car down for Scott Renault. Renault now closing in on Edson Miller. To the back bumper he goes. Close racing there with the lap car. Got to be careful as we're halfway home. 10 down, 10 to go. Renault dicing it up with the lap car of Edson Miller. Edson Miller battling back with your leader. He backs out of it though, entering turn 3. Scott Renault able to put 2 lap cars between him and Duarte. That gap now is still at a full straightaway. Duarte now encountering lap traffic. This is what Logan Payne wants to see as Jeff Day in 1 and 2 almost goes around. He keeps it going. Renault catching Day, squeezing around him. Duarte in lap traffic caught Bobby Ruffin. Now this is where Logan Payne has the opportunity to find a line around with Duarte now getting the dirty air from the 121 machine. Payne closes in. Lane closes in. Jeff Day off the Speedway in 1 and 2. As it's really a good race. We got 5 cars nose to tail behind the lap car. Bobby Ruffin for second. Second place is where the battle's at. Renault's gone by almost a half track at this juncture. Duarte able to get away from Payne, who made a mistake on the turn 2. Edwards has made it around Culp. As Duarte makes a mistake, and Payne goes around. Look out. The run green flag is coming out. 6 more to go. Lang gonna go underneath Duarte. It's not gonna work as now. Edwards around Lang. New 3rd place car, Martin Edwards. Edwards gets a little loose, Lang with a bit of a run. That's a battle for 3rd as they go into 1 and 2. But Scott Renault out front and running away. 4 more laps to go for your leader. At the line, they run Renault, your leader. Duarte 2nd, Edwards 3rd, 4th Lang, 5th is Colt, 6th is Eric Payne, 7th Wester, 8th Dowdy, 9th Vetter, and running your top 10 is Brad Queen. 3 more laps to go for the 1S car. Scott Renault lightning fast. He's almost a full straightaway ahead of CJ Duarte now. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th still nose to tail. White flag for Scott Renault. Turn number 4, he started number 1, he finishes number 1. The Trinidad Express in the 1S, Scott Renault, your winner. 2nd, CJ Duarte, 3rd, Martin Edwards, 4th, Michael Lang, 5th, Raven Colt, 6th, Eric Payne, 7th, Del Wester, 8th, Tucker Dowdy. Your winner, ladies and gentlemen, out of
Renault taking the win in the ASI Races Racers Sprint Cars. And, man, talk about it, you know. You said you talk to me later. You never do that, but now you have to.
That's right. Well, yeah, I did. I said I'd talk to you later if I was down here in the winner's circle, huh?
Definitely. This car was a rocket ship tonight. What's this thing we all figured out with it?
Well,
it was pretty quick the week before, too.
Well, it was. We've had a motor that had been supplied to us the last couple of weeks by Brian Shoulders, and it's what we need. You know, it's a good motor. It's no doubt it runs, and that's what it takes. And you know, starting on the pole and getting out in clean air early in the night, you know, is definitely a bonus.
Yeah, talk about that clean air. It seemed like the track slicked off, but there was still a good outside line you could run. In the bottom, really, there wasn't nothing there. Coming to lap traffic, was that where you felt like the guys behind you with the dirty air, where you wasn't able to really work that top side like you had to? Threw a couple of crazy sliders down there in 1 and 2.
Yeah, I did. I was trying to move the line up in the track further and further each lap. It was cobby up there, you know, real rough. But being in clean air, you know, it worked. So yeah.
As we got the ogre over here messing with us, as Shrek goes away. Talk about this car, though. I mean, last year you had that championship battle going. This year it's not as stressful. You had a little incident with the motor. It took you out of really running up front. But a win this dominant has to feel good.
Well, it does, definitely. You know, I mean, like I said, this isn't our motor. It was a loaner motor, and it's I like it. I got to get me one now.
Setup doesn't help either, huh?
Well, yeah, we had a pretty good car. I had to overdrive it a little bit, but
driver didn't matter at all, huh?
Nah, you just forget about it and go. You know?
Who helps you with this race car week in and week out?
I got North Star Storage from Forney, Texas. Auto Masters Body and Frame, Hottie's Tan and More. Bilo Auto Supply, ABC Powder Coating, of course all my family and my friends that back me and cheer me on week to week.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You're winning the ASI Races RaceSaver Sprint Cars, the Trinidad Express and the 1S Scott Renault.
Tasted pretty good.
Laps to go. Edwards sticks the nose underneath Dowdy once again as Eric Payne is starting to reel in Duarte, but he's got one more lap to go. As Edwards does make that move for fourth underneath Dowdy into turns 3 and 4. Duarte, third place battle though. Michael Lang and Tucker Dowdy. Lang looks to the inside of Dowdy in 1 and 2. Lang and Dowdy battle for third. The 14 Power Homes machine makes the move into that third spot. Edwards up the raceway. Day reels him in quick there. Edwards having an issue in 3 and 4 is Fifield now underneath Edwards. Or make that Day. Fifield underneath Day. 5 down, 3 to go for your leader Duarte as Edwards reels in Tucker Dowdy once again. Edwards looks to the inside of Dowdy, but Dowdy smooth through 1 and 2, holds him off. Edwards with a good run down the back straightaway. That's a battle for fourth. Edwards looks underneath Dowdy, not going to get it done as we got 2 more. And pulls the front tires up off the ground, and he sets the car back down, slides up the track, and falls to the back of the pack. We got 2 in the book, 6 more remaining, and your leader CJ Duarte with Eric Payne trying to run him down. Eric Payne, the older brother of Logan Payne, trying to run down here. CJ Duarte out to your early lead as he's going to shoot off a turn 2 with a good advantage over Eric Payne, who takes second from Tucker Dowdy. Martin Edwards up into fourth. Michael Lang looks to get fifth. Edwards up the racetrack. Lang and Ruffin go underneath Edwards. That'll be for the 4th and 5th spots. Lang now looks underneath Tucker Dowdy as Ruffin